That shit, bro. Not no more, nigga. I'm about building and elevating myself. I ain't for that bullshit. I swear to God. This shit out here fucked up. And niggas ain't about to put me in that motherfucking, that box. Fuck that. It's like, what they gonna do with this field over here, bro? It's a demolition site. Man. It's so goddamn crazy in Detroit, bro. I'm telling you. Shit's so crazy. And the city really fucked up. For sure. I'm just riding through the neighborhood and shit, taking the alternate route to my little destination, and I see how fucked up it is over here, man. It's like, damn, no wonder these niggas be shooting the shit out each other. No wonder. It's really fucked up. Man, these streets over here look like they ain't been used in motherfucking years, dog. I'm taking the back roads for the show, bro. These bike trails ain't shit. Got me going through the hood and shit. Niggas outside playing Madden and shit. Yeah, I'm creative. I ain't mad at that. That's a little ass TV, though. But that's a damn shame. That's niggas can only come together to do bullshit, bro. That's why I don't fuck with nobody, bro. Cause when it's time to get this money, when it's time to change your motherfucking life for the better, you doing that shit by yourself. These niggas don't give a fuck. They buck ass bums out here. They love to stay that way, bro. Motherfuckers love to be a victim out here. Not me though. Fuck that. I need my money. I swear, American cars such a piece of shit, bro. I swear to God. I'm trying to think, when the fuck was that, bro? I guess it has been 5 years, bro, but if you got if the lifespan on a starter is less than 5 years, then what the fuck am I driving this car for, bro? Like, nigga, I swear to God, bro, they engineered planned obsolescence into these fucking vehicles, bro. And like, y'all run out and go get these brand new cars and shit. And the trick is, how y'all gonna fix that motherfucker? See, I'm a technician, bro. I know how much man hours would it take to fucking repair some of this shit. But the average layman, they don't know shit, bro. They think they gonna just take that motherfucker to the dealership and get that motherfucker fixed up. But the dealership ain't doing that. Half the time, these parts ain't even changeable like that, bro. Like, nigga. This shit out here is fucked up, bro. And they just making this shit for throwaways, bro. These cars is throwaways, nigga. Especially a brand new car. That's why I ain't never impressed with nobody who be on that shit, bro. Cause I know it's bullshit. Like, you risking your life for some bullshit.